In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link ManyChat with ConvertKit. We're going to walk through this process step by step. So by the end, your ManyChat account will be connected to your ConvertKit account and ready to share subscriber data automatically. First, let's start inside ConvertKit. Go ahead and log into your ConvertKit account. Once you're in, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon along with your display name. Click on that profile area to open a drop-down menu. From that drop-down, choose the option called Settings. This will take you to your main settings page in ConvertKit. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu with several sections. Scroll through that list and look for the one labeled Developer. Go ahead and click on Developer. Inside the Developer section, you'll see an area related to your API credentials. What we're interested in here is the API secret. There will be a field that contains your API secret key. In many cases, this key may be hidden or obscured for security reasons, so you might have to click a button to reveal it before you can copy it. Once it's visible, carefully copy the entire API secret key. This is very important, because this key is what allows ManyChat to securely communicate with your ConvertKit account. Now that you have your API secret key copied, let's switch over to ManyChat. Log into your ManyChat account in a new tab or window. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side where the main navigation panel is located. Find the option labeled Settings and click on it. Inside the settings area, you'll see a list of menus on the left side of the screen. Scroll down that list until you find the one called Integrations. Click Integrations to open the page where ManyChat connects with other tools. On the integrations page, scroll down until you find the section for ConvertKit. In this area, you'll see a text field where you can paste the API secret key you copied from ConvertKit earlier. Click inside that field, paste your API secret key, and then look for the button that says something like Connect Kit Account. Click that button to complete the connection. After the connection is established, the final thing you'll need to do is map your user data. This simply means telling ManyChat which information about your subscribers should be sent into ConvertKit, such as names, email addresses, or tags. Take a moment to review these mapping options so that your automation works exactly the way you want. And that's it. Your ManyChat account is now linked to ConvertKit and ready to sync your subscribers automatically.